Hi, to change wallpaper on your Redmi Note 14, just open Settings and here find the tab Wallpaper and Personalization. Now we can go in Lock Style and select any of the options from the list for our lock screen wallpaper, for example this one. Also we can tap this button Customize and we can change font style. So just tap any option to change it. Also, you can change color, so you can enable multicolor digits and also change divider color and digits color. After that, you can tap down button to save the changes. You can pinch to crop and add some filters. Now, if you want to set this wallpaper for your lock screen, just tap apply. And you can also turn on always on display. So let's use this option. And now let's customize home screen. For that, we can just swipe down to check all of the options from the list. Or you can go in online wallpapers and this themes app would be opened. So here you can just find many additional options for your wallpaper. Also, you can go in categories and choose, for example, love or cute and find something from here, but in my case, I got no items. Also, if you want to, you can find animated, so like live wallpaper. Let's just try to find it, live wallpaper. So we got something like this. We can also enable here wallpaper scroll like that. So if you liked something from this list, you need to simply select this option and then tap this button apply. But I want to choose something from settings, so let's go back, go in this new tab, and from here I would like to set this one as my current home screen. So let's tap apply and from here choose set as home screen. And now home screen wallpaper applied. So this is how it will look on my home screen. And this is how it will look on my lock screen. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.